Cobol Mainframe Tips and Tools. Cobol Builder BMS Map Reading a Screen Model. Open Cobol IDE versus Mainframe. Checkcon. Hi everybody, this PPT was made by Nestor ACHA. The notes will be read by the automatic voice of WordOffice. Thank you very much for being interested in seeing it. In the YouTube video Cobol Code Open Cobol EM03 Builder Screen Section Checkcon, we explain how to automatically generate the screen section of a screen from a model using a Cobol program, which can be downloaded as indicated in the video description. A very similar method and program is used to automatically generate the code for a mainframe BMS map. In this video, we will explain how to generate a BMS map from a model and with a Cobol batch program, which can be copied from the PPT that can be downloaded from the link that appears in the video description. We are making these comparisons of Open Cobol IDE with Mainframe because the former is free and can be used for Cobol language practice and training up to an intermediate level. If you have access to a mainframe, you can copy the CRUB001 program, prepare a JCL and execute it to read the sequential file with the screen model, and as output file the BMS map code in your map library, after which copy and run the 6CRUB000 program associated with a new 6CR00 transaction to preview the generated screen. Steps to follow to carry out a complete test of automatic generation of a BMS map from a screen model. 1. Download the PPT from the link indicated in the video description. 2. Copy the screen model and/or make the modifications you want. 3. Copy batch program CRUB001 BMS map builder from a screen model. 4. Compile the batch program CRUB001. 5. Prepare a JCL to run the program and get the BMS map. A JCL model is attached. 6. Compile the map, review the result. 7. Register the CRUB00 map in CICS with the CETA transaction. 8. Preview the generated map with the CICS send map CRUB00 erase command. 9. If necessary, make adjustments to the model and repeat the process until the desired screen is obtained. 10. Copy the CICS program CRUB000 and compile it. 11. Register and install the CRUB000 map in CICS with the CETA transaction. 12. Register and install in CICS the transaction CR00 associated with the program CRUB000 with the transaction CETA. 13. Execute transaction CR00, press the Enter key to display the data and F12 to exit. To clarify how the query works, we have included 10 records in a working storage section table so that they can be displayed on the map generated by the builder program. Here we show the employee query screen with the 10 records in the table. Please download the PPT and copy this Cobol CICS BMS map builder program. In this slide is the division procedure that must be copied to complete the source program of the BMS map builder. If you dare to try the constructor and as a study, I suggest you try both, Open Cobol IDE and Mainframe. The resulting BMS map should be very similar to the one we are showing. Tip: depending on the installation, the lengths of the fillers and the redefines of the detail lines of the map could be different. Please note that the field names contain the line number, column number, and length. Field name sample M160542 line 16, columna 05, length 42. This slide shows the Cobol CICS program that you can use to visualize the map generated with the constructor. You can rename the field names, both on the map and in the program, to have more mnemonic names, for example, code, namey. Please note the similarity of the mainframe Cobol logic to Open Cobolide, working the detail lines with occurs and perform varying. On this slide are some files that you can use for your tests. Please check the Cobol IDE video that explains how to use the Cobol Builder program from screen section. To locate these videos on YouTube, search for them with the keywords Cobol Checkcon. Thank you very much for taking an interest in these Cobol videos, which we call the Cobolers Factory.